Oh, fuck. Oh, Ethan. Ethan, wake up.
Yeah, what?
Hear that?
Fuck.
I think it's a fucking I think it's like a fucking ostrich in here.
What the fuck? That's scary as man.
I'll grab the torch. We'll have a look. We'll have a look.
Yeah, I got it.
I got torch. Oh, yeah, you got torch. You got torch. Yeah, I got torch.
What the hell did you wake me up?
Fuck, man. Okay, shit. Okay. Hold it.
I'm fucking scared.
Hold it there. Hold it there. No, just look. Fuck, make sure there's nothing carnivores there, bro.
What the fuck?
Fuck! What the fuck, man? Okay.
What the fuck? Yay, Mr. Slugs. What the hell is that?
Fuck, bro.
Shit, this is scary, man.
Oh, these are tapir.